What's up, guys? Just got a whole bunch of LeBron 15s. This is a pretty cool shoe. It's a LeBron 15 Serial. Looks pretty nice if you ask me. Pretty cool colorway. I'm gonna throw them on foot so you can see how they look. It's gonna be a quick video. If you want to check these out, check out the link in the description on StockX. If you want to cop them on StockX, you'll probably get a pretty good deal. One thing I want to share with you guys is they say family size right here. That's pretty cool. It's a nice little leather hook. You can hold on to it to put the sneakers on. I have a LeBron 15 video. There will be a link at the end of this video for a more comprehensive review of them. I know they're an amazing basketball shoe, but they're just not for me. But a lot of people like them. Mostly, like, I'm a small guy, so like they're not ideal for me, but I know a lot of people like them. So I'm gonna throw these on right now. I mean, they're pretty nice on foot. I can't imagine how sick they'll look on the basketball court. And again, if you want them, check out the link to buy them on StockX in the description. The other thing I might as well tell you, there's going to be a link to cop pants like this in the description too. These are Scotch and Soda. They stack really well. This is a fire pair of sneakers. It's got pretty nice grip if you ask me. I love these. I love these a lot. And you should check out the pants in the description too, because the pants are pretty swagged out. I know a lot of you have messaged me privately about where to get them. So they're Scotch and Soda. I get a size that's too long for me. So it's length 34, so that it stacks pretty well. Usually I'll be like a 30 length, but it's a 34 length. Anyway, check that out in the description below. If you like the sneakers, let me know in the comment section. They're pretty fire. I'm gonna show you a little bit more about them before I go. Just check this Roman numerals out inside here. LeBron 15, number 23. Beautiful little King James pattern right there. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the links in the description. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.